Hello friends, I am myself Raj Singh and today I am very excited as I am going to the fair near my house. That means it is in the market area. There's a fair, so we are going there as you are looking. So not only me, my both sister and also my mother are going to the fair there. As you can see. So I am very excited here and also very happy to go because these are the other moments. These are the memorable moments that we have to just express or we also evolve any other things also in this day, and also this is the memorable moment and I will remember this day as I am making this video, and I will also watch this video, then I will also memorize my this day also. So you can see as my both sisters are here.
Hi. Hi, Vaishnav Singh and Sri. I am going to fair now, and when I will go to fair, then I will show you many things. You can look at video. And she is my mom. Sister, my mother and go to my fair. And the fair is at the market. Let's us go at the fair. Go! You can see many creatures are here. You can see it. These are the plants of maize. And do you know patua? The jute stick.
So friends, as I am going to my market area, and you can see that this is the main road of going to the market, and you can see there everywhere there's a rural area. There is everywhere like rural things are there. Rural lifestyles of the people are living here. They belongs to the rural lifestyle also. As you can see, everywhere are trees, fields, and also the houses. And they also have a pet animal, means a domestic animal, as in a type of cow or buffalo or goats, etc. This is the main road. You can see everything like goes from here, like even the truck and the buses of the schools also passes through this route. So I have also told you in the before video that the 89% of the people of Bihar belongs to the rural areas. That means this is the example of this. You can see everywhere there's a rural lifestyles of the people are living here, but in the market there are the urban lifestyle of the people only, but some, because it constitutes about 11% only people that belong to the rural lifestyle in the whole state, that is the Bihar. So let's meet in the fair.
So friends, as you will see that we have arrived to our fair, and my both sisters are requesting to my mother to buy a cotton candy for them, but my mother said you would have to eat in one cotton candy. So my both sisters agreed about it, and then my mother bought and gave 20 rupees for this because it cost 20 rupees. And then you will see that there's not many crowd because we have came to at the noon time, and this time is very good for shopping because there is not many crowd, but this time is bad for enjoying rides because there is no many fun without a crowd in the rides. And my mother is saying that we have to go there and look some shops, and also the rides are there. So we went there, and you can see some people are coming now for doing shopping.
This is a cotton candy. This is very sticky.
We are enjoying very much, and you will see that my both sister are enjoying the cotton candy. My mother also told me, so my sister hold the camera, and then I have eaten it, but I don't like it so much. So my mother said it, means my mother forced to take, so I have took some and then eaten it, and again I took the camera, and my both sister were eating it. Then my both sister are eating it and enjoying it very much. My mother was telling me to we have to go there and buy these things from there, and so I have looking for this what my mother is telling, and then you can see we have moved to there, and there we have looking at the shops there what are in the shops, and but we will not start shopping now, and first my both sister will enjoy the fair, means some rides in the fair, and then we will do the shopping, and then we will eat whatever we want. As you will see after the shops, here are many rides here, as a trampoline is here, merry-go-round, and many things are here, and also the eating shops are here. And my sister Tripti said to my mother that she wants to enjoy on the trampoline ride, so you will see that my sister Tripti is very happy, and you will see that some of the children are enjoying in the trampoline here. And my mother talked to the trampoline master, and he took about 30 rupees. As you will see, it is printed near him, and it charges 30 rupees per children. My mother gave her 60 rupees for the both of my sister, and then after some time for playing in it, and my mother asked to him, can we make a video from there? So he said that you can make a video from there. So I have gone there, and you can see that my both of the sisters are jumping here and there. As I was child, my sister Gunjan and me, we both enjoy the trampoline in the Maharashtra. As you will see, my sister she is guiding to my younger sister Tripti how to enjoy on the trampoline, and now she has learned, means she have got it how to climb and how to play on the trampoline, and she is giving a try for him. And you can see me as I am idle here, and you can see my both sister are enjoying here, as another children are also enjoying in the trampoline with my sisters. And trampoline is just about the filled with the air, so on falling on it, it doesn't harm any children. So you can see anyone, means every children jumps on the trampoline everywhere that it founds. And this trampoline not very high as it was in the Maharashtra's trampoline that I have enjoyed, that was very high from it. And also you can see that both of my sisters are jumping upward of the trampoline, and they have enjoying the slide here. My sister Tripti is sliding very fastly, but my sister Gunjan is not able to slide, as about her, because she don't know how to slide on the trampoline, and because of her body grip she is sitting on her place there. And so you can see that both are doing a race here, who will go up faster. And then my sister Gunjan gone up, means I arrived up faster, and they were enjoying that I have won. And then you can see that both of my sister are enjoying, like they are coming from first here and next time from there, means sliding from this side and again from that side. And you can see that she is doing some dance step here also. And you can see that my sister Gunjan is also having means her mind is full of joy, and this day was full of happiness for them, and they will remember this day as, and also they will see this video, they will remember it that this was the day I was enjoyed with my brother and sister, as they have came from the hostel. And then this fair is attend every year, means this fair is came in my market once in a year. And after this fair there's many fairs, but it is only small fair like Vishkarma Puja, and in the Chhat Puja, and also in some other occasions there are the small fair attend in the village side, but not in this market area. And you will see that my both sisters are jumping on the high, and then something has happened there, means that there is a hole, and he is telling from there that there's a hole, but they don't know that the hole on the trampoline is very important, because the pumping machine is on, and my mother is telling her to something here, and that I was telling you that the pumping machine is on because is there a hole in this in the trampoline, then it will be filled, and there's not many air in the trampoline, means only average air, so that it is here. And you will see that we have made video here, we are made video, and we are going to the next ride, means my sister want to enjoy on the merry-go-round, and you will see that this merry-go-round has the aeroplanes and bike here, so my both sister want to enjoy here, and so my both sister are taking place in their cars, and my both sister want to enjoy the cars. My sister Gunjan was telling that she was to enjoy in the bike, but other boy was sat on the bike already, so she said, and my mother was saying to said that to sit on the another side, so my sister did so, and she gone on the another seat, and there she have sat there in the middle, so that she will also not get vomiting type feeling here. And my mother is very happy for and the happiness of their children, as this happiness is on every mother's life. In every mother get happy when their children are happy. As you will see that both of my sister are enjoying here, and you will see that means we are buying a bag here for my sister, and here you can see that we have chosen a black bag, and he is packing here, and this day we have enjoyed very much. So really friends, this was the most happy day in my life, and I have enjoyed this day very much, and I will never forget this life. So then we will meet in the next video. Bye.